Most people get this wrong. They think there are apps that send money to your account every single day without any effort. Here's the truth, no one tells you. In 2026, apps that pay daily do exist, but they don't work like a salary. They work like small, repeatable reward systems that you can cash out frequently. In this video, you'll learn the top apps that actually pay daily or near daily, how they work, and how people like Alex and Nina are using them to build consistent side earnings. Let's start immediately. First, you need to understand how daily paying apps operate. Most of them are not giving free money. They are paying you for tasks like surveys, ads, game testing, or data sharing. The reason payouts feel daily is because the minimum withdrawal is low. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some apps reward you instantly after completing tasks, while others accumulate points that you can cash out whenever you reach a small threshold. That's what makes them feel like daily income. One of the most well-known platforms in this category is Swagbucks. It pays users for watching videos, answering surveys, and shopping online. Many users cash out regularly through gift cards or PayPal once they hit the minimum limit. But here's the problem most beginners face. They expect every task to pay high amounts. In reality, most tasks pay small rewards, but consistency is what builds daily earnings over time. Now let's talk about another type of app model. These are microtask and gig-style apps. They pay you for small actions like testing apps, taking surveys, or completing offers. Apps like this often allow fast withdrawals, which is why users experience daily payouts if they stay active. For example, imagine Jake spending 20 to 30 minutes a day completing short surveys while waiting for class or during breaks. He doesn't earn a lot in one session, but he cashes out small amounts frequently, which creates the feeling of daily income. Now, here's another important reality. No app pays unlimited daily cash without effort. If something claims that, it is usually not realistic. Legit apps always tie earnings to time, attention, or task completion. So what actually works best in 2026? If you want the most consistent daily payouts, survey and reward platforms are the most reliable. If you want slightly higher but less frequent income, task-based apps and testing platforms are better. And if you combine both, you can smooth out your earnings across the week. The key is simple. Treat these apps like micro-income tools, not full-time jobs. To wrap it up, apps that pay you daily in 2026 are real, but they rely on small tasks, consistency, and realistic expectations. The more active you are, the more often you can cash out. If this helped you, hit like, comment which app you want reviewed next, and subscribe for more honest earning breakdowns like this.